differential equations, exercise 9.1. We shall solve all the problems in exercise 9.1. So here we need to find the order and the degree of all the differential equations, right? So first, to find the order. So what is the highest order? So the highest order of the differential is 4, so order is 4. But what about the degree? So since this is not a polynomial equation in its derivatives, the degree does not exist. So to find the degree of a differential equation, it has to be a polynomial equation, right? So here the order is 4, the degree is invalid, we cannot find the degree here. Next, problem 2. So in problem 2, the order is 1 and the degree also is 1. See, the order is 1, okay, and the power of y dash is definitely 1, so the degree is also 1. The third problem, the order is, the highest order in the differential equation is 2. And this is raised to power 1, so degree is definitely 1 here. So in 4, the order is definitely 2, but we find that we cannot find the degree of this differential equation because it is not a polynomial equation in its derivatives, so therefore we cannot find the degree. Next, the fifth equation, the order. So we have d squared y by dx squared, so the order is 2 and the degree is definitely 1, right? So the highest order is raised to power 1, so I have degree is 1. So next, here in the sixth problem, I find that the highest order is 3. Okay, so the highest order is 3 and the highest order is raised to power 2, so therefore the degree is 2. Okay, so problem 7. So we have the order is definitely 3 and the highest degree is 1. So the highest order is 3 and that is raised to 1. So definitely degree is 1. Next, the eighth problem, the order is 1 and degree is also 1, right? The ninth one, what is the order? The order is 2 and its degree is 1. So degree is 1. Then the 10th problem, the order is 2 and we find that the degree is 1. So in the 11th question, we need to find the degree of this differential equation, but this differential equation is not a polynomial in its derivatives because of this term. So definitely the order is neither 3 to 1, so the fourth condition is true. In the 12th question, we need to find the order. So the highest order is definitely 2. So we have d squared y by dx squared, so the order is 2.